Alright, the drawing is complete. Waiting framing, December 7th, 2022. Go clockwise from lower left here. There are 7 victims of terrorism attacks and shootings in the United States, the genocide brought by legislatively and judicially enabled, approved, and excused gun rights. With allegorical sea monsters, and spelled phonetically like ENRRRRRRRAY and NRA, kind of multi-limbed, multi-legged, multi-hand catastrophe critter.
Thank you so much.
Okay, on top center, art composite from photo of Nazi soldier executing Jews, Helm, 28th May 1942, in Warsaw Ghetto, May 1943, of Jewish woman about to be executed. Embracing GOP Republican California Congressman Mike Garcia, who mocks the Holocaust, Facebook removed the 1942 photo, which I had posted, of a Nazi execution of partisans in Ukraine, claiming it violated their community standards. That was this fall, this autumn. Then I learned, okay, I'm going to read the writing on top here. Facebook removes Holocaust history photos citing community standards. And Facebook companies accepted millions of dollars in NRA blood, death, terrorism attacks, horror-crimes money. We bury our children and weep. This girl was age 7, shot by an 11-year-old with a 12-gauge shotgun on October 3rd, 2015, in some Midwestern town. She died in a terrorism attack at Northern Illinois University on February 14th, 2008. He was 15, died in the terrorism attack at the Marjorie Stoneman High School in Parkland, Florida on February 14, 2018, like 10 years later. He was a 17-year-old senior at a high school in Seattle. He was shot in March, I have to insert the exact date there, 2015. She was a senior, age 17, died in a terrorism attack at Aztec High School in Aztec, New Mexico, December 7th, 2017. 5 years ago. Another student who was a senior, also age 17, Facebook post he had done, he was kissing like a teddy monkey. Died in the terrorism attack at Marjorie Stoneman High School in Parkland, Florida. And this man was a 44-year-old police officer, died November 27, 2015. He worked for the University of Colorado Police. He was shot responding to a terrorism attack at some sort of clinic in Colorado Springs, Colorado, Planned Parenthood, I think it was. All right, there you have it.